Nonprofit in Winnebago County focuses on protecting local kids like AJ.
CASA ensures the needs of children in the community are being met. Brett Brooks joins us now in the studio to explain how the organization works.
Yes, that's right, Eric and Mimi. CASA advocates for those who often are without a voice. Work is being done here to address trauma across the state line, but volunteers are desperately needed to help the children who are still waiting to be represented.
About 750 children are waiting for us.
After the death of Crystal Lake's 5-year-old AJ Freund, attention is being drawn to the help that is needed for the most vulnerable. In Winnebago County, a major resource working with those children is CASA, or court-appointed special advocates.
So what we do here is we train volunteers to be the advocates, the court advocates, for kids that are involved in the abuse and neglect court system.
Currently in Winnebago County, there are 1,080 children involved in the abuse and neglect court. 31 new kids have been brought into the system this month alone. CASA volunteers serve as third parties in court to make sure these kids' needs are being met.
But what our volunteers do is they go through a pretty extensive training to learn what happens for kids that are involved in the foster care system, some of the traumas that families are going through that would result in kids being removed from their care.
They also work with all parties involved to ensure the child's voice is heard.
Our CASAs work with the professionals on these cases, the caseworkers, the doctors, the therapists, the teachers, to help really understand what life is like for these kids.
CASA is part of Winnebago County Health Department's initiative to becoming an informed community, to bring awareness to households living in trauma and address the need. United Way also working to help with their 211 hotline.
Biggest resource as far as trauma, especially mental health trauma, would be United Way 211, which is literally a free, easy-to-use phone service, so it works as 911 would.
Tomorrow is the annual Hands Around the Courthouse community event to bring awareness to domestic violence cases.
All right, Brett, thanks for that.